Oh no! The dog! It's chasing me!
Oh no!
Run, Leo! Run fast! Oh no, Maya! It's coming closer! Help! Maya, there's another problem.
Where are we?
I don't recognize this place. It doesn't look like our street.
Oh no! I'm sure we're lost.
Leo, Maya, can you help me buy some eggs? Okay, Mom. Superhero Leo is ready for the mission. Go to the store with the yellow umbrella near the park. Okay, Mom. We'll go and be back in a flash.
Oh. Be careful, kids. Stay together.
Okay, Dad. See you when we get back. Buying eggs, buying eggs, buying eggs. Look! The yellow umbrella! Wow! We are here!
Here you go. Walk slowly so they don't break.
Thank you very much. We'll be careful.
Woo! The mission is done. We're coming home.
Can we stay here and play for 5 minutes, Maya? No, Leo. Dad and Mom will be worried if we come home late. Hey! Look, Maya! A flying toy! Leo, wait! Don't run away! Oh no! The dog! It's chasing me! Oh no! Run, Leo! Run fast! Oh no, Maya! It's coming closer! Help! Hey! Hey! Maybe you took its toy, Leo. Here, go get it, doggy. Go! Maya, there's another problem. Where are we? I don't recognize this place. It doesn't look like our street.
Oh no. I'm sure we're lost.
It's okay, Leo. Stay calm. We'll be home soon. They should be back by now. It's getting late.
This is not good, Grace. Maybe we should call the police.
It's getting dark. How can we get home now? I'm tired, Maya. My legs hurt. Look! That lady is carrying a basket like ours. We can ask her where the grocery store with the yellow umbrella is. Hold this for me, Leo, and stay here, okay? Excuse me, ma'am. Did you buy those eggs at the yellow umbrella store? Yes. It's just 2 blocks away, past the park. Oh. Thank you so much, ma'am. You're so kind. Come on, Leo. I know the way home. Maya, you can see it. The yellow umbrella. We are almost there. Let's go home.
They should be back by now.
Mom, Dad. We're back. Mom, we were lost. A big dog chased us, and then we couldn't find our way back. Oh my.
And how did you get home?
I saw a lady with the same eggs, so I asked her the way to the yellow umbrella shop.
You're such a smart girl, Maya.
And the eggs are safe too. Thank you, Maya. I'm very proud of you, girl. Woohoo! The mission is complete.
If you have any problem, stay calm and don't be afraid to ask for help, guys.
Mommy! Daddy! Look at me!
Wow! You're so high up, Leo! Whee! Here I come!
I got you, my brave boy.
Maya, look at Leo. He's having so much fun. Do you want to try? Huh? Maya? Where are you? Ethan, her life jacket. Where's Maya?
Stay here, Leo. Don't move. Maya! Daddy is coming! Oh no! Maya! Maya!
Maya? Are you hiding? Help! Please help us! Help! I can't find my daughter!
Emergency! Everyone, get out of the water now! We have a missing little girl! She has a ponytail and a yellow shirt. I will search the water. Sir, check the play area. Ma'am, check the changing rooms. Go! Maya, are you here, sweetie?
Maya? Answer, Mommy, please. She's not in the water.
She's not in the play area.
Not in the changing rooms either. Oh no, my baby, where is she?
Mommy? Daddy? Why are you crying?
Maya?
Is that you? I have ice cream. Do you want some?
Oh, thank goodness. You're safe, my sweet girl.
Maya, Daddy was so scared. Are you okay? You aren't wet at all. Officer, stop the search! She's here! Thank goodness. The little girl is safe.
Yay! Maya is here. But that ice cream looks yummy. Can I have some?
Wait, you have ice cream? And you aren't wet at all?
You weren't in the water? Where did you go, Maya?
I went to buy ice cream outside. I was playing in the water. Ooh, the ice cream truck. I want ice cream too. I'll buy one for Leo.
The truck was leaving. I had to run fast. I just wanted to get ice cream for me and Leo.
Oh, Maya. Everyone was so worried. Thank goodness you're safe.
Next time you want to go somewhere, you must tell us. And never take off your life jacket. Okay?
Yes, I will remember. I'm sorry I made everyone worried.
Parents, always watch your kids carefully at the pool.
Kids, always stay safe. I take half, you take half, Leo.
No way! I really love cupcakes. I want a whole one. Safe here. No one can take my cupcake.
Time for my delicious cupcake. What is that? Ew. Ah, ants! Go away! Get out of here!
Wow. Perfect cupcakes for everyone. Oh, the delivery man is here. Coming! I'm coming!
Ooh! Strawberry cupcakes! They look so good! A secret just for me. Stay here! I will eat you later.
1, 2, 3, 4? That's weird. Did I make a mistake? I thought I made 5. I wanted to give one to Aunt Sarah's baby. But we don't have enough.
It's okay. We can make more next time.
Wait, let's give one to the baby. Leo and I can share. I take half, you take half, Leo.
No way! I really love cupcakes. I want a whole one.
Leo, sharing is a kind thing to do. No, it's mine. I will eat it in my room.
Where is a good place? Safe here. No one can take my cupcake.
Tonight, I will eat it. It will be so yummy.
Oh, my tummy is so hungry. I will be right back, Maya. My secret cupcake is waiting. Time for my delicious cupcake. Huh? What is that? Ew. Ah! Ants! Go away! Get out of here! Ew. I wanted it all. Now I have nothing.
My cupcake is gone.
Maya. Leo? Why are you crying? The ants ate my cupcake. I am so sad. Oh. Look, Leo. I didn't eat my cupcake yet. We can eat it together. Let's share. Don't cry. Here, take this. But it's your cupcake, Maya.
A small piece is better when we eat together.
I didn't share with you. I'm sorry.
It's okay. We all want to keep our favorite things. But sharing is very fun too. That's right. Sharing makes everyone happy, and the food tastes better too.
Wait! Aunt Sarah's baby! Mom, I took this in the morning.
I hid it. But now I want to share. Let's give it to the baby.
You made a mistake, but you fixed it. I am so proud of you, Leo.
Yes. Sharing brings the biggest joy.
Do you share your treats with your friends? Tell us below. And please subscribe to our channel. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.